10 minutes, start. To Edge. Edge. To Jackie. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Jenson. To Mark. To Aaron. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Jericho. Echo. Pass to Nunay. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Aaron. Roll. Pass to Sol. Jenson. Jenson block by Jackie. To Dice. Ano yung pass? Wala. Bola ng Team C. Edge. 9 minutes exactly. To Miel. Edge. Edge. Steal by Ron. Ron. 2 points by Ron. 2-0 in favor of Team D. On 2. Tununoy. Third taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Jenson. Jenson nagmamadali. Turnover. Bola ng Team C. Miel. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. All 2. Suchaki, wala. Rebound by Dice. Adrian. Taking 2 points by Adrian. 4-2 in favor of Team D. Miel. Echo, Tununoy. 7 minutes and 22. Jericho pa rin. Back to Miel, taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Ibe. King Daddy. Ibe. To Aaron. Ano yung pass? Wala. Rebound by Edge. To Echo. 7 minutes and 15. Turnover. Bola ng Team D. Score 4-2 in favor of Team D. 7 minutes and 3 seconds. Taking 2, wala. Rebound. Foul pala. Foul by Unoy. Oras, 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 4-2. Adrian taking 3. Adrian, nice. 7-2. Foul. 7-2 in favor of Team D. Chaplin to Edge. To Jericho. Making his move. 6 minutes. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Edge. 6 minutes and 15. To Jericho ulit. To Edge. Take. Edge. Wala. Rebound by Miel. Miel pa rin. Miel taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Edge. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. 7-2. Miel. Intercepted by Dice to Aaron. Ron. Lumibad. 2 points. By Ron Arbol. 9-2. Naman pa rin Team D. Jericho. Echo. Last 5 minutes and 30. Nakakajari pa rin yung libre-libre. Taking mula. Wala. Lima pa Echo. 2 points. 9-4. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. To Dice. Taking 3 again. Wala. Lima pa Echo. Sumiel. Intercepted by Ron. Last 5 minutes. Last possession before change. Block by Jericho. Score 9-4.
penalty.
Ibe,
Kanino to? Kanino to?